Hi there! Is your phone ringing but it has no sound or low sounds? Many Xiaomi users said that when you have a call, they can see the call is coming on their Xiaomi device, but there is no audio or it has very low audio ringtone sounds. These most annoying issues happen when you have software issues with your device or problems with the audio speaker. So, after analyzing these issues, I have come up with 4 solutions that will solve your sounds issues for an incoming call. First, to solve your problem, you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Sounds and Vibration. First, check your ringtone. Now please try to set a different ringtone from here. After that, scroll down again. First, turn off the silent mode. Now turn off Do Not Disturb mode. After following all the processes from here, you need to open Setting. Scroll down, tap Additional Setting. Now you need to tap the Accessibility. Now tap the Hearing option. Turn off Mono Audio. Check the audio balance. After that process, if you still have issues, then follow the next process. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Notification and Control Center. Tap App Notification. Now look for the phone apps. Tap on there. Now open this up. Scroll down, tap the incoming calls, tap sounds. Now you need to choose a new ringtone. Now check whether your problem is solved or not. If you still have issues, then you need to press the volume up button, tap the 3-dot icon. Now enable these 3 sliders. After that, just restart your device. After following all the processes, if you still have issues with sounds for the incoming call, solve your problem. Thanks for watching.